This is a new home midget that I got on eBay, and it's in pretty rough shape. It's been repaired there. There's a crack on the seam. It's missing a few pieces. There's a hole right here. I think it was a motorized one because it doesn't have a hand crank. These came with a hand crank, but it's on backwards. It's like flipped on backwards, and it doesn't seem to be the hand crank model. And it's missing this plate, and it's missing the bullet that goes in there, and it doesn't turn. It's completely frozen. So yeah, this is going to be a fun little project. Not sure how much of this paint's going to survive, but it's pretty rusty and nothing really works. It's this part down here looks okay now. All that stuff doesn't look too rusty, so, and the gears look pretty good. So I'm going to open this up and see if I can get it spinning, and see if I can get it to sew again. We'll see.